So this little guy is my Christmas tree this year. When you decorate 6 full-blown Christmas trees at church, this is what your own Christmas tree looks like. This little plant is all I have energy for this year, but I refuse to let him look boring. So I picked this little guy up at the big orange box store, and it came with these tiny little Christmas ornament balls already on it, which is really adorable, but I thought we could spice it up a little more. So today we are making some Christmas themed plant stakes on the laser to give this little guy a tiny little holiday glow up. They're quick, they're easy, and honestly, they are the exact level of decorating I can handle right now. So let's go ahead and jump in. So let's talk supplies. I am using acrylic for these stakes because it cuts clean on the laser and it holds paint really well. Now, I don't recommend using wood because wood and water, they just really don't mix very well. So unless you're using these plant stakes in a fake plant, I recommend sticking with acrylic. Now you can use whatever color you have on hand, but I am using white today because the lettering is really gonna pop once it's filled in. Now after everything is cut, all you have to do is paint fill the engraved areas. Now, if y'all have been around my channel for more than a video or two, you know I'm kind of obsessed with paint filling via powder coat. I find it to be the easiest and least messy method. I don't have to worry about waiting for a clear coat to dry. I don't have to be precise with my paint. I can let the laser do 100% of the work, and then I get a really nice, bold look without a ton of effort. So that's what I'm planning to do with these today. Now, if you want to add even more color, you could paint, around the edge, or you could do a layered acrylic and do like a two-toned color approach. So that's totally optional, but it does add a cute little touch. Now, once these are dry, all you have to do is just pop them straight into your plant. No hardware, no assembly, nothing fancy. Just a quick little pop of holiday sass for your Christmas tree in training. Now, I definitely have some fun ones here. Do y'all ever just get on a roll with your creativity and you just can't stop? Yeah, that was totally me on this project. I think I came up with like 25 different sayings for these stakes. So it's just that easy to make my little Christmas tree in training feel a little bit more festive. Tomorrow is day 12 and we are going to wrap up the series a little bit differently. So make sure you tune in. And if you are joining me partway through this series, make sure you check out the full 12 Days of Christmas playlist. There are so many fun projects waiting for you, and I will see you tomorrow for the last one.